Okay, so this is my first YouTube tutorial, so bear with me as I try to get it together. On this video, I just colored Jessica's hair, and now I'm demoing how to do a bubble braid. You put the first section up in that elastic. If you're from Texas, give it some height. If not, well, that's cool too. So the first elastic, and then you grab that second, you put the second section in elastic. And you can see how I've split the first top section in two and wrapped it underneath the second section. And you can clip it out of that top section out of the way, and then you can see that I've grabbed now another third section and banded it together. And then once I've banded it, I'll drop that second section, split it apart, wrap it around, and put that section up. And with another elastic, make another band. And this client, it was really nice that she did not have any layers. It was just perfect long hair, so easy to do. Okay, so wrap that again, flip it up, and grab it all together. That'll be the final section. There, drop that.
I know, that was easy.
And so this is just the tail. You continue to do exactly what you were doing up at the top.
If you plug that old hair dryer in when it would work, it does. Yeah. So that's like
if you guys have any questions, you can comment below and I will do my best to answer.
But it's so heavy.
I feel like I'm not the best teacher, but I'm going to give it a try on these tutorials.
Yeah, so when it goes into Dominican Republic, like, you can't bring blow dryers and anything like that.
It's like, I don't know why I feel like we can't talk. You're just gonna take it.
So you'll see,
we're so stoic.
after I complete this next section, the really important part will be spreading out your sections of hair. That's what gives it that full, kind of messy, you know, look that we're all trying to go for.
Yeah. So being in compliance. Because I don't have, you know, I don't want to wear jeans.
And when you go to pull out your sections, don't pull too hard and try not to overthink it. The less you think about it, the better it, it becomes. It's kind of like overthinking a messy bun. Just pull out those edges as big or as small as you want. I mean, the bigger the better for me.
It's not that kind of trim. No, exactly. Like, and it's like, we do get to go to the beach for half a day.
This could be worn like casual. I mean, I wore it today with gym clothes, or it could be very formal, great for a wedding or anything like that. If you guys have any questions, comment below.